Welcome to JTEKT Electronics India Private Limited. JTEKT Electronics India Private Limited, formerly known as Koyo Electronics India Private Limited, is a subsidiary company of JTEKT Electronics Corporation, Japan, established in September 2007 providing software services including smart factory solutions in India and overseas. As a member of the globally renowned JTEKT Group, JTEKT Electronics Japan specializes in the development and manufacturing of high-quality mechanical, electromechanical and electronics equipment for the process industry. With a robust international footprint, JTEKT Electronics Japan also has subsidiaries in Japan, USA, China and Taiwan for product development, manufacturing and sales. The organization proudly operates under the umbrella of the Toyota Group, upholding the highest standards of excellence, quality and reliability. Our traceability solution lets you track every component, process, and product, ensuring quality, accountability, and fast defect resolution. In today's complex manufacturing landscape, especially in high-stakes industries like automotive, knowing the history of every part isn't just important, it's essential. Without it, production faces serious risks like no root cause visibility, wider and costlier recalls, missed improvement insights, defects go undetected, regulatory non-compliance, reputation damage, customer dissatisfaction and supplier issues untracked. Is the affordable to ignore them? Introducing JTEKT Electronics Traceability Solution. It provides real-time link to every part, every step. Instantly spot defects, trace root causes, ensure compliance, and boost overall efficiency. It's not just software, it's operational excellence. From storage to finished goods, every part is tracked at every stage. Using barcode scanners, printers, and Ethernet-connected systems, data flows seamlessly across machines, vision systems, and cooling zones. The entire process is connected to a central server, enabling real-time reporting, complete traceability, and total production visibility. With JTEKT Electronics Traceability Solution, no detail is ever out of sight. A traceability system transforms production by delivering full visibility and control. It lets you track every component from origin to final assembly, quickly identify and isolate faulty parts, minimize impact and cost with batch-level accuracy, ensure consistent standards across all production stages, maintain secure records for audits and future analysis, and leverage analytics to improve efficiency and output. It ensures supplier accountability and regulatory compliance, all while enhancing customer trust. At JTEKT Electronics India, we offer end-to-end solutions to empower smart manufacturing. Our smart factory solutions include systems like eKanban, Andan, eKYT, traceability, and energy monitoring, designed to optimize shop floor efficiency and visibility. Under software services, we specialize in application and firmware development, embedded systems, web technologies, and data analytics, ensuring seamless digital transformation. We also provide factory automation products such as PLCs, HMIs, SCADA, encoders, sensors, and timer, offering reliability and control at every level of your operations. JTEKT Electronics combines Japanese engineering excellence with competitive pricing. Our seamless installation ensures minimal downtime, while our reliable after-sales support keeps your operations running smoothly. Thank you for watching. For more information, please contact JTEKT Electronics today.